composer and musician. The cistern is a giant water tank, and it has this incredible 45 to 50 second reverb decay, just because it's this giant stone room. Tonight we're making a big show with about a 30-person orchestra and trying to recreate the sound of a 2 million gallon cistern. I was down there oftentimes by myself for hours and hours, and you have to go through a tiny little manhole to get into it, and you go down this ladder. So I'd be down there for hours, and any tiny sound you would make, you'd accidentally scuffle your foot before you're about to record, and you'd have to wait a full minute before you could actually start recording, because the reverb from your foot scuffling would go and go and go. It's very, very otherworldly. Everyone always does really quiet, very sparse music in there, because that's what it lends itself to really well. But I wanted to try some different things in there, and so I brought down some amplifiers, and I noticed that the room really responds to low end frequencies. Once you pump just like a big blasty trombone note, the room would be alive for longer than 50 seconds. It just go and go. And so I did a lot of stuff where I did a lot of really loud sounds down there as well. This concert doesn't have so much of the loud stuff, but I did make the low-end section of the orchestra bigger than the high-end section to kind of compensate for that a little bit. During the last rehearsal, this one piece reminded me of this very specific image and it actually made me well up when they were rehearsing it, where I was out in the middle of the ocean, and there was no wind or no clouds and no moon, and so the stars were extremely bright. It was reflecting down into the water. It was just this perfect mirror image of the stars. I remember kind of looking around and suddenly feeling like I didn't know what was up and what was down. Like I was just this little sailboat thousands of miles from any land. There was stars completely around me. So it was neat that the music really did bring that image back to me.